All right, y'all, repeated use of the chain rule, meaning that you're gonna do the chain rule a few times, okay? So find dy over dx for y equals the quantity of 1 plus cosine 2x squared. So just like we would, we're gonna use the power rule first. So y prime equals 2 times 1 plus cosine of 2x. I subtracted 1, so now it's just 1 power, but we still have to do the derivative of the inner. So the inner for this one is 1 plus cosine of 2x. Then from here, there's not much to do right now for this first couple of things here, but we do need to do the derivative of this, okay? So the derivative of 1, as you know already, is 0. The derivative of cosine of 2x is going to be negative sine of 2x, but the chain rule said we need to do the derivative of the inner, and the inner of sine 2x is 2x. So that's why we have to do the derivative of 2x as well. Then from here, we know that, okay, well, the derivative, I'm just going to copy this first, okay? This is now 0. Well, 0 minus sine is just going to be negative sine. Hopefully you guys are okay with me going like that. Well, the derivative of 2x is just simply 2, right? Well, technically, we can do the derivative of the inner of 2x, which is x, but then that will give us 1. From here, I'm just going to simplify this out. 2 times a negative 1 times 2, that's going to give us a negative 4. I'm just going to write negative 4 sine 2x in the front. So negative 4 sine 2x in the front. Then I have 1 plus cosine of 2x here. Now from here, we can do a couple of things. Okay, we can definitely distribute this out. Let's see. This is y prime. We are going to go distribute this out. So that's negative 4 sine of 2x and distribute that out. So that's minus 4 sine 2x and cosine of 2x. Okay, now hopefully you are still remembering your double angle identity and half angles and sum and difference, all of that from trig. From here I'm out of space, so that's going to go over here. So y prime equals, in the front, I'm just going to keep it as negative 4 sine of 2x, but in the back is a double angle identity, okay? So what I mean by that is, if you guys remember, if we had sine of 2 theta, then it was 2 sine of theta cosine of theta. Well, we have, let's say that this is theta, right? So if this is sine of theta, cosine of theta, would you agree that this would be then 2 times 2, just like that? So that's why we get a 4 in the front, okay? So 2 sine of that. So I'm going to break it down. So I'm going to write 2, and then this right here, that's a double angle identity. Technically, if I write, okay, well, that's really sine of 2 theta, but guys, our theta is 2x, so this is really sine of 2x. Okay, so I'm going to replace with a sine of 4x. So that's where 4x came from. So final answer, y prime equals negative 4 sine of 2x minus 2 sine of 4x. Yeah, you will need to recognize when to put things back as a double angle identity, and half, and so on and so on, okay?